Tie on to the left corner with a double knot. Bring the yarn around the back and through the second slot. Then straight down to the corresponding second slot at the bottom. Wrap behind the peg and come out the next slot to the right. Wrap behind the peg and come out the next slot to the right. Continue wrapping behind each peg top to bottom to top. Maintain light tension as you wrap. Stop at the second to last slots at the right. Wrap twice around the frame to keep tension while you tie off. Thread the needle with an arm span length of yarn. Starting at the right, weave under one, over one. Pull through, leaving a long tail at the start. Weave left to right, under one, over one. Pinch your yarn where it wraps to keep a neat edge. Pull the row at a slight angle. Use the comb to pack your yarn down. That's it, now repeat. Now try the speed comb. Half the threads stay up, half push down. Watch as the opposite set of threads push down this time. Lift off and shift. Right position for weaving to the right. Down slot number 1 over the second warp thread from the left edge. Left position for weaving to the left. Down slot number 1 over the first warp thread at the left edge. This row is weaving from right to left. Weaving to the left equals left position. The needle slides through the gap created between the up versus down warp threads. Lift off, shift to the right. Weaving to the right equals right position. Lift off the warp, shift back to the left side. Lift and shift back to the right. Press the speed comb down in the center and brace against the loom to stay steady. Thread the needle with the long tail you left at the starting edge. Wrap once around the first warp thread. Bring the needle up through the spot, 2 warp threads over, 2 rows up. Drape the yarn into a C. Bring the needle back under the same 2 warp threads over the C. Pull tight like a nut. Repeat across the warp. Come up between the last 2 warp threads. Wrap once around the last warp thread. Form the C and continue. Pull tight, weave in the excess.